Assalamualaikum to our panel, Dr. Noornija binti Jalaluddin. We are Group 5 and today we will present about our project which is Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner. A robotic vacuum cleaner is an autonomous device that combines a restricted vacuum floor cleaning system with sensor and robotic drive with programmable controller and cleaning routines. It is also commonly referred as a Roboca or a Roomba as a generic trademark. Typically, robotic vacuums are lighter than even the lightest canister model and smaller than conventional upright vacuums. Our project objective would be to design controlling system for smart vacuum cleaner using ultrasonic. Next is to develop hardware part of smart vacuum cleaner and integrate with the controlling system. And last but not least is to the performance the smart vacuum cleaner.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izwan, and today I will be presenting a literature review on smart vacuum cleaner. The aim of this literature review is to explore this existing research and insight related to our topic, smart vacuum cleaner. So, this is ultrasonic radar system, the component that we use in our project. We explore this component from other related project. Ultrasonic radar system is to calculate the distance, position, and speed of an object placed a certain distance from the sensor. The ultrasonic sensor sends ultrasonic waves in various directions by rotating with the help of a servo motor. This wave travels through the air and is reflected back after colliding with an object. This wave is sensed again by the sensor and its characteristics are analyzed, and the output is displayed on the screen, displaying parameters such as object distance and position. Next component that we do research is a DC motor. DC motor short for direct current motor. Function for DC motor is a electrical device that converts electrical energy from a direct current power source into mechanical energy. It operates based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. When a current flows through the motor's coils, it generates a magnetic field which interacts with a permanent magnet or other magnetic component, causing the armature to rotate. DC power supply. A DC power supply is an electronic device that provides a constant and stable voltage output in the form of direct current. It is commonly used in various applications including electronics testing, powering electronic device, and charging batteries. So power supply that we use is a battery. LED, a semiconductor device that emits infrared or visible light when charged with an electric current. Visible LEDs are used in many electronic devices as indicator lamps in automobiles, as rear window and brake lights on billboards, signs as alphanumeric display, or even full color poster. Infrared LEDs are employed in autofocus camera and television remote controls, and also as light source in fiber optic telecommunication system. Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is a popular microcontroller board that is part of the Arduino platform. It is widely used for creating various electronic projects and prototypes. The Arduino Uno is based on the ATmega 328P microcontroller, and it provides a simple and user-friendly way to interface with various sensor displays, motors, and the other electronic component. Arduino first and foremost is an open source computer hardware and software company. In conclusion, this literature review has provides a comprehensive overview of smart vacuum cleaner. Next, I want to present about a methodology. In this chapter, a true overview of the methods used in this project is explained in detail. The method used in this project was driven from the literature review. All information pertaining to the work methods at each step will be provided. The smart vacuum cleaner for project is design and prototype. This part will describe the overview of the project, flowchart, blow diagram, list of software, and list of components. 3D design of the projects will is also included in this part. The benefit and disadvantage of the project is comparison to the earlier initiatives that were examined in the literature study. This is a block diagram for our group project. This project is focused on motor drivers that being controlled by Arduino Uno, as they are the main component of the system. Battery is used as a power supply of this project, which going to work the Arduino Uno motor driver shield, DC motor, and ultrasonic sensor. A flowchart of this project shows the steps we need to achieve the objectives of the project. I provide the guide and direction to accomplish the task. The car is started, the distance is measured, and the vehicle moves forward. If the distance is less than 20 cm, it turns left and right to measure. And the prototypes move to where the distance is greater. The same procedure repeats. This is a circuit diagram for our project, Smart Vacuum Cleaner. In this circuit diagram, whole electronic component that we use for Smart Vacuum Cleaner. We construct the circuit diagram using a software circuit.io.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Shafiq Itkon bin Muhammad Latif. My number matric is CN220039. Okay, today I will be explaining about my group robot vacuum cleaner software deployment. Okay, software deployment that we use is Arduino. So we made the coding by using the Arduino application. So uh, in this coding we made the coding by using uh, AF motor, new pin and servo driver to make the robot can be moved with the value that we set to make it move and be operate. Okay, in this robot we use like 3 pin, echo pin, like 2 pin, A0 and A1, and the maximum distance is 200, maximum speed is 119. That's for the DC motor movement. Okay, for the speed offset we decrease like 20 so that we can reduce the battery health, so that when the robot move, it cannot pass fast. You cannot make the robot battery getting low fast. So we use 4 pin for the DC motor, and then the servo motor we make it distant like 100 to 121 centimeter, so that when the speed set we set to 0, so if the robot move, the sensor will detect the obstacle and then the robot will stop. It instantly stop without moving, and then it will change the direction to the other direction so that it can be moved back. Okay, next slide. Okay, this is the coding for the servo motor. Okay, the servo motor that we make it delay to let it spin like 100 seconds. And then the the, the direction for the motor will turning left to right, like 50 to 170 degree, so that it can turn left to right while checking the surrounding in front of the robot. And then we also make it the coding for the robot to move forward and backward. Okay, to move forward, that is to make the robot to move, but while do the vacuum part. Okay, this is the design that we made by Google SketchUp. Okay, we designed the robot to like this in 3D mode. So this is the and then this is our final product that we already made the hardware. As you can see, this is the side view of the robot, the top view of the robot, and the in front view of the robot. Okay, that's all for me, and then I will let the next presenter to present the result and achievement.
Okay, for our result and achievement, first to efficiently clean floor in a way that at least as effective as traditional vacuuming. This include removing dirt, dust, and pet hair from various types of flooring surface. For the second, provide consistent cleaning result following predefined cleaning paths and pattern. They can access hard to reach area and corner that might be missed with traditional vacuum. That's all. Thank you. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Izam. So in our conclusion, the project robot vacuum cleaner prototype that our project do is work very well for the robot to be moved, vacuum and the sensor are working. The sensor help robot to detect any obstacle that block in front of the robot. 250 cm is the range that can be detected by the ultrasonic sensor to move the robot away from the obstacle. The delay to make the robot spin away from the obstacle is 500 milliseconds to let the robot reverse. Our vacuum also capable to vacuum the rubbish. Thank you. So this is our project, our robot vacuum cleaner. This is our robot works. So here is the vacuum. There we got the motor driver and all the servo motor sensor. So if we turn on the robot, if we turn it on, the sensor will detect the obstacle. Then it will stop. If you don't have an obstacle, it will start moving again. So this is our prototype. We vacuum the rubbish. So this is how our robot vacuum cleaner prototype will work. When it detects the obstacle, it will stop, then it will start moving again.